I'm Jennie Wray. I'm an equity partner of the Harris Law Firm. What drew me to the practice of law, I would say probably mostly is history. I grew up loving history, and I think that, even from a young age, I knew I wanted to be a lawyer. I will tell you that as in the second grade, we were charged with coming to school with what we wanted to be when we grew up. And I came to school with a blazer on, with a set of kitchen scales and a briefcase in my hand. So I knew that I wanted to be a lawyer even back then. The cases that I've mostly dealt with in my career, I would have to say that, I've done many different family law cases. I've done the gamut in the 18 years that I've practiced, high asset cases, divorce cases. I will tell you a giant sense of pride and satisfaction that I receive is that I know that whenever my client and I step in a courtroom, that we're going to be the most prepared folks in that courtroom. I like to take the time with my clients to make sure that they are knowledgeable about the process, to make sure that they're knowledgeable about their subject matter, and knowledgeable about the potential outcome of what we might be facing. I always have a great sense of pride whenever my client is able to resolve their case or we're able to settle their case, because I think that it allows for them to have a greater sense of control in their own lives and a say in how they want to see their lives progressing. I think it's important for a client to retain me because I think that there's kind of two parts when a person is facing a legal challenge. One being kind of the legal education component of it. So to be able to explain to my clients the legalese, the terms of the contract. What do these terms mean? I think the second piece is the strategy of the situation. So how do you face this problem? And I believe that it's important for my clients to understand both of those pieces, and that's why I'm here to help.